Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the Profit Up Now channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can make money online without showing your face. I know a lot of people want to work online, have that financial freedom, but are too shy to appear on camera, record stories, or do TikTok dances. The truth is, there are many ways to make money online without showing your face, without becoming a meme on the internet. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started as I show you 5 ideas to get you started today. But you just talked about YouTube and now you're telling me to create a channel? Hold on, young one. The idea here is different. You don't need to show your face. You'll create an automated channel. There are niches on YouTube that are perfect for those who want to start without appearing, like story channels, curiosities, motivational quotes, and news, using AI narration, stock images, and videos. If you are very knowledgeable about a subject, how about turning that knowledge into money? Selling eBooks and digital study guides is a great option for those who want to work from home without showing their face and still be an authority in what they do. What if you could have your own online store without dealing with inventory, logistics, or even showing your face to sell? With digital products, this is totally possible. Resume templates, study planners, budget spreadsheets. All of this can be done on Canva and sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify Digital. You know that friend who recommends products to everyone and still makes money from it? They probably work with affiliate marketing. And the best part is, you don't need a ton of followers on Instagram to start. You can create an anonymous blog, use Pinterest, have a YouTube channel with narrated videos. The important thing is to generate quality content and include your affiliate links. Artificial intelligence is already changing the world, and you can use this to your advantage. There are amazing tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Jasper, and many others that allow you to offer incredible services without needing to be an expert. So, did you like these ideas? See how it's totally possible to make money online without showing your face. The digital era has opened up a range of opportunities, and now it's up to you to take advantage of them. So, which of these ideas will you try first? Tell me in the comments. If you liked these ideas, subscribe to the Profit Up Now channel, leave a like, and comment which of these options you want to try first.